So Instagram just announced their new app to compete with YouTube called IGTV. Let's talk about what they said and what I think and why I'm excited. New addition to the vlog family. Got this little Canon G7X for more convenience, just when I don't want to lug around the Sony. All right guys, this is the G7X. Let me know what you think of this. How does this look? It should probably be a little bit smoother actually because of the stabilization, and it's just so convenient. Hopefully it'll make me actually pick it up in a few more situations that I might not have with the Sony and just film some more quick little videos. Enough on that, but let me know what you think. What do you think of the new Instagram app?
I think it's great. No, not really. I think Instagram is gonna win at the end.
Probably.
Sorry YouTube, sorry Facebook. Facebook, I feel like they've never made it, honestly. Okay, so the gist of this new IGTV, or at least the only part that is worth my attention or me caring about, is you're gonna be able to upload up to 60-minute videos on this IGTV app, which is gonna be linked to your Instagram following. So as far as I understand, it's gonna be a separate app from Instagram, but for the same followers. So if you're following me on Instagram, which you should by the way, then you would be also following me through this IGTV. Maybe they'll be even cross-promoted through the same app. I'm not sure exactly how that looks, but you'll be following that person on both platforms if they choose to upload those videos. So my thoughts for this is that, look, as a consumer, I'm not sure I really care all that much. Like maybe I'll start consuming on the platform, but as far as like Facebook video or even Instagram videos right now, I rarely really pay much attention to that. But where I'm excited is as a creator. So I definitely could see myself personally starting to make videos on this platform if it takes off. Instagram has definitely been known to kind of take a shit on other platforms. I'm looking at you, Snapchat. That didn't go super well for Snapchat. And I'm not saying that the same will happen for YouTube. I think YouTube is very well established, has so much great content. I personally love watching YouTube. I love, of course, making videos for YouTube. By the way, if you don't know me or my channel, I'm Matt. I mostly make videos about my 7-figure Amazon e-commerce business, teaching that as well. So if that's interesting to you and you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that. Getting used to this new camera, wherever was my thing. Oh yeah, I have a screen. And also on the channel, I'm just showing myself as an entrepreneur as I grow in business and all of that. So if that's interesting to you, I hope you will follow along. But anyways, I'm thinking of this platform as somewhere that I could put additional short videos where I am providing value, telling a story, giving tips, showing my journey, just basically another YouTube with maybe organic content made for that platform. I think that's key in social media in general, is like you have to be native to the platform, as Gary Vee would say. You know, if you're just like spinning the same piece of content and just posting it on the platforms, that doesn't really count. It really needs to be made for that platform where you have those actual followers and eyeballs. So that's what I'm thinking as the potential for that platform, is that I would be making more content like what I'm making on YouTube and just spinning some for Instagram. Now, I think that where it gets interesting and why this differs from just posting a video on the feed is or on stories, which I do, but I don't think those really get all that much organic views. Like, yeah, sure, you can hit the explore page, but that doesn't really seem to happen, especially not for like videos that aren't crafted to be super viral. But if they're on this new platform and they're really trying to get eyeballs there, it seems like there's going to be sort of a recommended or a for you section, similar to like YouTube, where you just get suggested videos that are relevant to you. And now that is where I think it could sort of have an algorithm similar to YouTube. And Facebook is obviously incredibly good at this. They know so much data. Of course, Facebook owns Instagram, so they're tapped into that data as well. So that means that this For You feed could be super tailored to the videos that you want to be watching. And that gives a lot of opportunity for creators to show up in that For You section for people that are interested in your type of video. So I see a lot of potential in that because it does have that organic element where you can potentially tap into new audiences with your content. Now, YouTube has always been a little notorious, I might say, for having there's this hostility in the community about YouTubers feeling that YouTube itself doesn't really care much about the creators, and all this stuff about monetization and just the crazy sort of endless fight around that. Personally, I have a pretty non-standard view to that, I think, because me as an entrepreneur with other products or services, I have other ways of monetizing that I don't even really worry about, like the YouTube ad revenue. It's not that significant. I think in general, YouTube creators are taking it for granted a little bit how amazing it is that YouTube pays you at all for this. For example, if you want your Facebook video to be seen by people, you're gonna pay Facebook to put that video in front of people. Even the people that like your page don't really get to see it. So even those people that like your page, you still have to pay Facebook to boost your post just to get it seen by the people that have already clicked like on your page, by the way. Smash that thumbs up. Whereas on YouTube, it's freaking crazy. We upload videos and YouTube gets our views for us and then pays us for those views. I mean, that's crazy. Like, how are YouTubers complaining about this so much? I think it's pretty amazing. And I get it that some people, it's their livelihood making that YouTube ad revenue, but just taking a step back for a moment and realizing how insane that opportunity even is tremendous. And I'm thankful for the ad revenue that I do get. But part of me would be almost glad if they took it away. And the only reason I'm getting into this is because we have to see how Instagram is potentially going to attack the monetization issue. Now, so if YouTube took it away, I'd be okay, because if anything, I feel like that would just lower the amount of competition to make good content, because now people wouldn't feel like content is just a way to get views and make money, because I can, you know, talk about my businesses and other things, and I'll make money in other ways. I don't need the ad revenue by itself. I want to build the audience and build the community and build the connections and meet people, and there's so much other ROI in building an audience. You guys that follow my channel, you know this is the same thing for physical products. If you build up that audience, that relationship with your customer, you will be able to monetize. Again, I only even bring up monetization because YouTube has this, and we don't know necessarily what Instagram's solution to this would be, if any. Slight interruption, my girlfriend just told me that you can already get into this on the app, so I am updating my Instagram right now. So I'm gonna be giving it a try. Hopefully I'll be making content there. As of right now, I don't know, but definitely follow me on Instagram so you can see what I end up doing over there. Once that loads up, I'll just take a look through it with you guys in just a second. But anyways, just to finish up that monetization thing, how is Instagram gonna do it? We don't know. As far as Facebook and Facebook Watch, as far as I know, there is still no monetization of that, which again, that's kind of normal in any platform other than YouTube. Usually you pay to get in front of people. YouTube pays you for being in front of people. So whether they do or don't, I'm cool, but I could see it how, like, for creators, like for people that just do YouTube only and want that to make money just from that organically only, then if Instagram doesn't play with that, then YouTube is obviously going to remain having more incentive for creators. But it seems like Instagram is taking an approach that is going to be very creator friendly, but we'll just have to see. As far as I know, like, I don't think there's any hint at how they'll be handling that, and most likely it would take quite a while for that to be rolled out anyways. It's not like there's going to be monetization on day one. They need to, you know, get everything rolling, get people viewing it, you know, all of that stuff needs to happen before they can even think about rolling out ads and then monetization. So we'll see. All right, so I just opened up Instagram, and up here in the top right, we've got the IGTV logo. Of course, Reezy Resells is right on top of it. So let's check this out. Welcome to IGTV, watch now.
Welcome to my IGTV channel. And we're on the road right now, so that's why you hear our waves going off. But we're
pretty sick, so I can see other people, other channels are the people I'm following.
Some of the best shit I've ever put on the fucking gram.
Following, popular. So I guess there's no for you yet, but I read that there's going to be. Oh, that's the event I was at where I met Gary. There's a video on my Instagram of that, actually. I was there. All right, just created my channel. I'm gonna definitely give that a try, so definitely make sure you're seeing whatever I end up doing with that. I hope it turns into something. I'm personally pretty excited. I think it's really cool. If by the time you're watching this, you're already following people on IGTV, I'm really curious to know who you think is doing it best so far, or what type of content you think is gonna work on that. So let me know. I'm genuinely curious myself, because I wanna make that, or what you think I should personally be making for that might be more suited there than it necessarily is on YouTube. Obviously, this is not gonna replace YouTube. I don't think it
will in general. I don't think it's gonna kill it. I just think that it's going to be another place, and I'm really interested to see what happens as a consumer on some level, and mostly as a creator, and a way to tap into new audiences. Anyways, just wanted to get that out while this was new. Let me know what you thought about this video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you're here and you always watch, thank you so much. I really appreciate you, but I'm really curious what you thought of this video. It wasn't a typical vlog. I've been saying for a while, maybe I'm just gonna start knocking out more quick little videos, and I'm definitely gonna be doing a lot more Amazon stuff, but I'd like to mix in some other things too. So I'm just really curious what you thought about this. I really appreciate all you guys. Check out the description. There's all kinds of links, free entrepreneur Facebook group, all that type of stuff. I'd love to see you in there. It's hugely valuable. Other than that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.